Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a Google Ads account with just a few steps and without going into a complex setup. So let's jump to the computer screen and see how we can do it. So right now I'm on my computer screen, and what you have to do is to go here and type ads.google.com and you will come to this page. So now what you have to do is just click on start now button. So my account is already logged in, so it is showing me this kind of interface, but for you it will be a bit different. So now I'm just going to create a new Google Ads account. So they're asking add business information, create your ad, set your budget. So I'm not going to do anything at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select skip campaign creation, and then it will direct me to this page. There I have to select my country. So right now I am in Pakistan, so I will select Pakistan. The currency, but the currency I want is US dollar. So make sure you select the right currency because you will not be able to change it later. That's one of the most important thing that you have to keep in mind. So Pakistani rupees is fine, I think. So let me just hit next. And here they will ask for the time zone and etc. And now they are asking for the payment method. So you can set for automatic payment, it will be good. And now they have already selected my payment method, like my card. So they're asking personalized campaign guidance. So we can say yes, or we can say no, get tips promo, we can say yes, and then submit. And here we are, we have just created our Google Ads account, and previously it was a bit difficult, but now they have updated to the new interface, so now it's very easier to create an account and anyone can easily create it. Now here we click on explore our account, and here we are in our new account. That's it for today. You have just learned how to set up a Google Ads account, and in the upcoming videos we will see how you can utilize Google Ads to help your business grow. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified with any upcoming videos. Thank you so much.